Hello, I'm a student at Halifax County High School, and today I'm going to talk to you about sediment bowls for antique tractors. If you're going to buy a brand new one, this will come in a package like this. You usually have a little protector up on top of the screen that goes inside the tractor. It's got a valve on it where you cut the gas on and off. Take it apart for you now. This part right here is a sediment bowl. It holds the gas that comes in the tractor. This right here is the screen for it. You sit it right here and then put your gasket right here, so that's how that works. This is the bell right here, little U-shaped thing, and this thing right here, it fell off. Sometimes it'll come off, sometimes they won't. But you use this to turn it to put tighten your sediment bowl so it'll stay on there. And this right here is the screen that goes inside the gas tank, the pre-filter. And then if that don't catch it, this will. That's how you put it back together. You need to make sure you have your safety glasses for this one, just in case any gas or debris flies off the tractor. You need to have a container ready for the gas that you're going to catch out your sediment bowl, and a napkin. Well, a roll of paper towels or old shop rag. Make sure you have the gas cut off, and you're going to loosen it. Gas will spill, so there you go. Okay. You might have some gas leaking from whatever reason. I know this one will leak like that. Let's set this to the side. Get you a napkin. Put it right there, just for temporary. What you're going to do is clean the sediment bowl out. You're supposed to do it every 8 hours to prevent debris from getting in your gas. So you're going to just use an old shop rag or napkin, whatever you prefer. See, nice and clean. Okay. Still got some gas leaking. That under there. Okay, so what you're going to do is just stick it right back in there. There we go. Whoops, okay. Make sure you turn it the right way. You see it's back on there. Now I'm going to cut this gas on. But you notice nothing's coming out. You need to loosen the sediment bowl because of the airlock. It will prevent from gas coming out. So you see now it's coming out. Let's cut your gas back on a little bit more. Tighten it back up. Just a little bit, don't all the way tighten it. You see it's coming out pretty good now. And it'll eventually fill up. See, I tightened it back up and no gas is coming in because of the air that's in the bowl. So I'll just cut the gas back off. And there it is. Simple, easy process.